Hi guys, today I want to show you this amazing banana crumb muffin recipe. The buttery crumb is delicious and the muffin turns out moist and flavorful. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease a 12-cup muffin pan or line it with paper liners for easy removal. I like to use these liners because when you take the liner off your muffin, you can eat right on it. No need to dirty a plate. I made brown sugar in this mixing bowl, and since these muffins contain brown sugar, I didn't wash it. I'll have a little extra sweetness in these muffins. Place 3 ripe bananas in the bowl. Add a half cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, add 2 eggs. I like to slightly beat each egg before adding it to the mixture and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, add 1½ cups of flour, a half cup of coarse wheat bran. If you don't have this ingredient, replace it with a 1/3 cup of flour. I like to use the wheat bran because it gives it a slight nutty flavor. 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk the ingredients together until well combined. Gradually add half of the flour mixture to the banana mixture and mix until combined. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You may definitely substitute the coconut milk with buttermilk, milk, or almond milk. Mix until combined. Add the remaining flour mixture and stir until combined. Do not overmix. It's okay if the batter is a little lumpy. If you want to add walnuts or chocolate chips, fold them gently into the batter. Now let's make the buttery and tasty crumble. In a small bowl, combine half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I made it just a little while ago. 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and combine well. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted cold cubed butter. Use a pastry cutter, 2 forks, or your fingers to work the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Don't overwork it. Small pea-sized chunks of butter should remain for a nice crumb texture. We are ready to assemble the soon-to-be delicious banana muffins. Divide the muffin batter evenly among the 12 muffin cups. The easiest way to do it is to use a half cup ice cream scoop. Then generously sprinkle the crumb topping over each muffin. Press the crumble down lightly with a spoon into the batter to help it stick. You don't want the buttery, cinnamony topping to fall off when taking a bite. Now bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. Guys, these muffins smell so good. At this point, check for doneness with a toothpick inserted in the center and it should come out clean. Leave on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes. Then transfer the muffins to a cooling rack. These muffins turn out incredible. They are so moist and flavorful. The buttery crumb topping is so good, and the coarse wheat bran gives it a nutty, healthy flavor. The great thing about it is that they taste even better the next day. They are great as a on-the-go breakfast, a snack, and even dessert. Guys, you need to try these banana crumb muffins. You are going to love them. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. Stay kind and positive. Love you guys. Bye.